you see this candy bar right here? Do you know what's significant about this particular two-piece Reese's peanut butter cups? This was the first thing that I could spend money on without it being a thing between me and Mariana. 32 pesos. It's like $1. And I used to go on walks in this park, and I'd walk up to the 7-Eleven and I'd buy one of these. She's like, how many did you buy? She's about one. Because that's how fucking poor we were. Okay? She was tracking if I was buying $1 candy bar. And I was so happy that we were just starting to make a little bit of money again, that I was able to go buy $1 candy bar because I felt like it. Because it was okay. Because I could spare $1 to eat some chocolate and peanut butter on my walks. Why was I walking? Because we couldn't afford the gym. So I had to walk for exercise. And we are back in Monterey, and one of the things that I wanted to do was do this loop again, because it was just so impactful. It was just, fuck. Oh man, this little area with, you know, I see this old guy here I used to pass all the time. Like, I'm telling you, these walks are probably the only reason I didn't like, it's just, this park and me go back through some rough fucking patches. And I wanted to take a moment. I've been thinking about a video on this topic, and hopefully this doesn't mess it up, but the thing is, publishing doesn't, the money that you're going to make with publishing doesn't end with publishing. What I mean by that is, if you think about what you're learning right now, how to make money online, period. You're not learning how to publish books. A fucking monkey can publish books and make money. You're learning how to make money online. That's the skill you're learning. That's the skill set that is going to allow you to create any sort of wealth, any sort of whatever you want going forward over the next few years, right? Whether you take the business you're building now and you turn it into a 6-figure coaching business, like my buddy Ollie. He published finance books. He turned that into a 6-figure a month finance coaching, education business that he does. He's done live events with his people. They fly in from all over the world. They do live events. That started with him going into the options trading books, Bitcoin books, all of those type of books you can see on Amazon. He took that and built a whole online education that people pay thousands of dollars to join and fly in to different spots around the world where he holds masterminds. That started with him doing keyword research and finding, hey, how to do options trading is a good keyword for a book. So Reg created some books, had massive success, and then he realized that he hated how agencies ran ads, and he created an ad agency. Some of you will be like, you know what, I don't like how Mecca teaches publishing. I could do a better fucking job than him. And you will literally just compete with me for the attention of people trying to make money online. And that's okay. I welcome that. The skills that you're learning right now by just publishing these little books and failing and then doing it over and over and over again and eventually succeeding, these are the skills that are going to allow you to build more money than you could ever imagine. They will allow you to be financially secure. They will allow you to chase the dreams that you want to chase. In 2017, 2016, 2018, I always would say that publishing was like this stepping stone into making money online. And I firmly believe that. Because without publishing books first, I would have never started teaching people how to do it and have, a growing coaching business, right? There's so many more examples of that, of people using publishing as a leverage or as the stepping stone to getting into the online space of how to make money, figuring it out, and changing their life. So I don't want you to think for a moment that what you're doing, there's no bigger picture to it. There is. You just don't have the skill set or the ability to see the bigger picture yet. But trust me, it's there, and it might not even involve Amazon. But, but, I just thought it was 32 pesos. Buy a few more of these now. It's just, it's crazy how far you can go when you don't quit. Absolutely insane. But anyways, I am going to enjoy my little walk here. Enjoy these peanut butter cups. Maybe look up at the stars for a little bit. Something I used to do quite a bit here.